Hi there and welcome back. If your business works with international customers, having a flexible and enterprise-level payment provider can make a huge difference for your checkout performance. And that's exactly where Adyen comes in. Adyen is used by many global brands because it combines card payments, local payment methods, digital wallets, and advanced fraud protection inside one platform. When connected to Checkify Pro, it allows you to create a smooth and scalable payment experience directly on your checkout page. So let's set everything up. Start by opening your Checkify Pro admin and going to Payment Systems. Find Adyen in the list and click Connect. You'll notice that Checkify requests several API credentials, so now we'll get them directly from your Adyen account. So, open your Adyen dashboard and first locate your account name in the top right corner, then navigate to the Developers section. From there, open API credentials and create a new web service user if you don't already have one. On the credentials page, you'll need to copy several values. First, copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in Checkify. Next, locate the client key and paste it into the client key field. It is also very important to add your app's domain to the Add Allowed Origins field, as the integration will not work without it. We also need the API URL, which is located directly below the API credentials section. You'll need to copy this as well and paste it into the corresponding field in Checkify Pro. At this point, the integration is almost ready. Before activating it, you can also configure additional options such as target countries and supported payment methods, depending on your Adyen setup. Once everything is configured, click Connect to finish the setup. Now let's verify the result. Open the preview window from the bottom left corner of the page. As you can see, Adyen is now active directly on the checkout page, meaning the payment flow has been connected successfully and is ready to process transactions. And that's it. Your checkout is now powered by Adyen inside Checkify Pro, giving your customers a faster, more secure, and more flexible payment experience. Feel free to save this video if it helped you connect Adyen with Checkify, and let us know which payment providers or integrations you'd like us to cover next.